Maria Nila Structure Repair is a nourishing serum for damaged, dry and chemically treated hair. It strengthens and moisturizes the hair. It includes a shampoo, conditioner and leave-in cream that is suitable for daily use, and also a mask that is recommended to use 1 or 2 times a week. Structure Repair uses strengthening ingredients from the bottom of the sea, in the form of algae, that softens and repairs damaged and tired hair. The algae are added in each product within Structure Repair. In your shower routine, always start by using Structure Repair shampoo to clean the hair and scalp. The shampoo has a pH of 5.5 to 6, which will open your cuticle just as much to clean properly. After the shampoo, add the mask in towel dry hair and leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes. Since Structure Repair is meant to repair damaged hair, the longer the processing time, the better. The mask has a pH of 5 to 5.5, which is the same as the hair's natural pH value. The mask also contains olive fruit oil, which contains a large number of vitamins and antioxidants that protect and preserve moisture by creating a protective barrier on the hair shaft surface. End your shower routine with a conditioner to close your cuticles. A closed cuticle will give you more shine, non-tangled hair straws and a healthier look. The Structure Repair conditioner has a pH of 4 to 4.5, which will make this happen for you. If you have the possibility, leave the conditioner in for a minute before rinsing. Structure Repair has a fresh scent of rose, vanilla and jasmine. The leave-in cream is added to this series as an extra booster for damaged hair. The leave-in cream provides moisture, nutrition and seals split ends. Apply to damp or dry lengths and let it be. Do not rinse. In comparison to a True Soft series, the Structure Repair is developed for damaged and chemically treated hair, while the True Soft series is developed for more naturally dry hair.